So, Niels, hi.
Hi, Ed.
We are here in the ticket office of the NAMM show,
That's right.
but it's also the Nektar kind of meeting room.
Meeting room, yes, the inner sanctum of where all of the secret conversations take place, and we also play around with our own gear. So I'm here to show you the Aura Pad Controller with a massive update to the included software Nekarine. We completely restyled the UI and improved it a lot so that the workflow is greatly improved. We now have this pads page here with 16 virtual pads, all representing the settings on the hardware. There's an instrument channel strip as well, so you don't have to jump to the mixer every time you want to change pan or something. There's also a browser pane there to the right where all of our content is. So let's start by just loading a Kontakt drum kit patch. So I'm just going to pick that up here and just drop it on one of the pads, and it will just load. It's a kit, so I'll be able to play all of the sounds from the pads immediately. So the first thing I might want to do with something like this is to probably organize the pads a little bit. So I want to be able to copy and paste sounds so that they're where I want them to be. So I'm going to just swap pad 2 and 3 by just dropping them on top of each other, and now I have the snare here next to my kit, next to my kick drum. The next thing I could do is replace the kick drum, for example, just with a plugin. So I have a D16 Punchbox kick drum plugin here, and I want to just try that one out on pad 1. So I'm going to just drop it right there, and it loads into a new instrument channel strip, and I now have the Punchbox plugin playing alongside the Kontakt kit, which is still, of course, played by all the other pads.
So, if we're using a plugin on one of the pads, where does that actually load up to in Logic?
It doesn't load in Logic. It loads in our plugin,
Right. Okay.
which is hosted in Logic. So you can now record this drum kit in Logic.
Right. Okay.
So that it's basically part of whatever composition you're working with. So we also have, and I should actually mention also that Nekarine hosts AU, VST, and VST3 plugins. It can itself be hosted in any DAW, including Pro Tools. So it's an AAX plugin as well, and there's a standalone application too. So one of the other new features is that we've added an audio tab to the browser. So I'm going to just select the audio tab here, and that enables me to now browse through audio files and audition them in real time. So this is all new, and I can just pick up, for example, this brass snare and drop it on top of pad 2, and now I've added that sample to the drum kit. So essentially we've got now a kit that exists of 3 different sources, 2 plugins, and 1 audio file. But you can do anything you like. I mean, you could have 16 different samples, you can have 16 different plugins if you want, or you can just simply have 1 plugin. It's a really great thing that you can just create these compi kits and get the most out of whatever library you have and do it quick. But Nekarine now also comes, and Aura, of course, now comes with its own library too. So I'm just going to go back up here to the UI because it shows us sort of a neat list of kits that are now included. So we have about 500 different instrument patches that are all unique and new, created and captured by us, ranging from drum kits to acoustic drum kits. There's some percussion in there as well, and of course some style kits as well. We should start by loading, I'm just going to load the Hyper Rock acoustic, one of the acoustic drum kits. And this is immediately ready to go once it's loaded. So ready to play on the pads. Let's try a different one. I've got Studio Kit 1. It's another acoustic kit.
So these are all kits that were recorded by Nektar, right?
That's correct.
So do you know what anything about how they recorded and where or anything like that?
With the microphone. It was recorded in Pro Studios. It wasn't Abbey Road or anything like that, but really well done. You know, we worked with some great engineers, and I think it's come out really nicely. So
brilliant.
It's fantastic. There probably is a marketing story there somewhere, but we'll get the guys to work on that. Okay, so one thing, what you haven't seen yet is that what makes all of this actually happen is the DP1 drum player. So this is the player that's now included with Nekarine and comes with Aura. It hosts basically the sample, and it gives you all of the parameters that you want. So we've got, you know, all of the essential parameters like pitch, envelope controls, you've got filter cutoff, resonance and drive, you've got a compressor in there, you've got EQ, and we have this cool feature called 1982, which takes you back to the future. So I'm just going to switch that on. And,
is it gated reverb by any chance?
It could have been. This is actually, it changes the bit resolution, the playback bit resolution to 8 bits. So the sample is immediately downsampled, and I also can change the sample rate, so we can get that some serious grunge. And then if I change the pitch, you know, we get some of those like down sound sampled effects that we associate with the vintage samplers. A lot of fun. Take a high fidelity drum sound and turn it into a drum machine sound from 1982. Pretty cool.
Yeah.
So let's take a look. Maybe try and load one of the drum machine kits. So I'm going to go for, we of course have all of the classic drum machines here. So I'm going to load the 78 kit. I think these drum machines are just great to use with drive. You know, so if I take the kick drum here and change the drive parameter, getting a little bit of bite there. I'll do the same maybe with the toms. Fun.
Brilliant. So this is available, this update now, or what's the kind of timescale? Are we kind of there already? Or?
It's imminent. I would expect it to be up by the time you actually post this video.
Brilliant. And what is the kind of price?
This is free to Aura users. So if you own an Aura, then you get this with the package, basically. And the existing Aura users, of course, also don't have to pay for it. Everything is included for free. It also works with our Panorama T4 and T6 as well. So those users will also be able to get access to it.
Brilliant. Well, Niels, thank you very much.
Thank you, Ed.